Hello, welcome to my channel. First of all, I want to wishing you all a very happy Mahalaya. So today's Mahalaya, I thought to make an easy and simple clay mural on Durga Ma. So let's start it. You will need some cardboard pieces and air dry clay. I am using my homemade cold porcelain clay here. You will find the recipe link in description box. So first of all, you will have to make a basic outline of Durga Ma to set the clay later. I am making the hands now. As we all know that Durga Ma has 10 hands, 2 hands holding the Trishul and 8 hands other weapons. You will have to make the 8 hand first and then we will put the other 2 hand later. Now attach the 8 hands with glue. Shape the figure with knife or any clay modeling tool, then apply some water to fix them. Try to watch the video till the end so that you don't miss any important steps. Making the feet now. Make another feet following the same procedure. Mahalaya is the very auspicious day for Bengalis. This is the starting of Devi Paksha. You can Google it to know more. In one word, this is the very emotional day for us Bengalis before starting the Durga Puja. So I am making the Mahishasur now. Please like and subscribe my channel if you want to see more content like this. You can always tell me in comment section what you want to see from me and try to give feedback regarding my videos so that I can improve my work. I really need your support. Please help me to grow. You have to roll the clay like this and attach them to design the hair. So I am making the Trishul now. I am using this thin stick for making it. And the clay design is ready. Now left it for drying. So this is dry now. I'm going to use acrylic paint for color it. You can always customize the color of the dress of Durga Ma. You can always customize the design also. This craft is really easy to make at home. Even the kids can also make this. Please tell me what you think about this idea in comment section. I am making the eyes now. Make an eyes in her forehead also. As we all know, Ma Durga is Trinayani, means she has 3 eyes and extra eyes in her forehead. This is optional. You can apply some gold dust in the hair of Ma Durga or left it as it is. I am using blue acrylic as the background color. You can use any color as your own wish. Now spring the newspaper like this. I was just trying to giving it a frame look. You can leave it as it is. And this beautiful easy clay mural of Durga Ma is ready. This is really light that only double-sided tape will be enough to hang it to wall. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Stay connected with me to get videos like this. Thanks for watching.